Hello, hello, and welcome to the wonderful world of photography. If you have been watching this, you will have seen that earlier on I did have a picture of a horse, and it was more a gentle scene, a calm, misty scene in the morning. And these horses were at the same place. I don't know if it was the same day or the same time or the same whatever, but best as I can remember, and it wasn't planned at all. Um, this horse was sneezing. Now, maybe it's because it was cold, because it was cold. It was. And the other horse is, of course, just breathing. And the closest one is just kind of looking at me like, oh, please, why are you here? And the one farthest away, which could almost be the twin of the closer one, is also looking at me like, what do you want? And the one in the middle, well, maybe not in the middle because it looks like there's more horses there. Maybe he was cold and just had to sneeze. But anyway, there are many, many things I always tell people, when it's misty and foggy and stuff, it's a good time to shoot because things that look otherwise like not much of anything look really cool when it's foggy. And that's why in a lot of shows I've been on, like Outlaw Bikers and other things, they have somebody doing what they call atmosphere, which basically means they have a fog machine, and it isn't really fog and it isn't really smoke. It's some supposedly safe chemical concoction that comes out of this machine and just makes the lighting look a little cooler. Although one time, when I was down there, the machine, they turned it on, then they couldn't get it to turn off, and the atmosphere stuff was so thick that you literally couldn't see the person next to you. And that was not what they had in mind. So they had to kind of open the doors and stuff and let a little bit of that out. And of course, is it always the same? No. Does it vary? Yes. But usually the person would be there in front of the machine. Sometimes they would have something that they would wave, and sometimes they'd have a fan. And generally, they would activate all this in between takes. But anyway, this was no such fog machine or atmosphere machine. This was just cold. And I stopped, and there was this horse who, well, best I can tell, they were sneezing. Anyway, I could say more, but that's about it. I did, I used to carry a camera everywhere, used to shoot everywhere. I haven't done that for a while, but who knows? Maybe again one day. We'll see. Anyway, train your eye, train your eye, train your eye. Bye for now.